In this video, I will show you how to hide apps on Android, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. I am using a Samsung device in this video. First step is to make sure that you are on your home screen and not on the app screen. On the home page, make a long press anywhere in the center and you will see some options below. Click on Settings to open home screen settings. Scroll here and find this option called Hide Apps on Home and App Screen. Click on it and you will see all the apps arranged in alphabetical order. You can use the search bar or manually search the app that you want to hide. Let's hide Instagram. Click on it. You will see it appear on the top section that says Hidden Apps. You can select multiple apps to hide at once. Now click Done. Go to the app screen and as you can see Instagram is not visible in its earlier location. To unhide the app, follow the same steps. Long press, Settings, Hide Apps on Home and App Screen. And click on the App and Hidden section and click Done. Let's check again. As you can see Instagram is visible again. If you want to know how to use AI to make automatic captions for videos in seconds, then check out this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching.